So, good morning class. I'm going to give you a lecture today. So, before I'm going to start my lesson, I will give you an activity first. So, first is, I suppose, I give you this card. So, what are you going to do is to group it according to if it is K-pop group, flowers, or an animal. So, you have already, we have already done grouping into three categories, which is, this is group of a flower, group of astro, and groups of an animal. So we have three groups. So what my activities is, denote that my lesson for today is about a set theory. So what is set theory? Set theory is a set or is a group or collection of objects. Let's see this. For example, set of English alphabet. So English alphabet. What are English alphabet? A, B, C into D. So is a set of English alphabet. And then we have also set of golf clubs. It is an example of a set. And then set of dishes or set of K-pop group just have we done here. This is a set of K-pop group. And then set of flowers, just like this. So, in a set, we have so many so-called elements. What is element? Element, it is the members in the set. So, we denote as like this. For such example, we have this set. So, we can say that this is a set A. So set A is a set of flowers. So what is element is? Element is the members of a set. For example, Santan is the element of a set A. Or tulips is element of set A. Or daisy is an element of set A. And so on. This is sets, elements, and so on. So, how many elements do we have in set A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, we have 10 elements in the set A. So, that is the element. So, elements have element. Set is have also many kinds of sets. So let's proceed to that. A set can be denoted or take into open and close parentheses, braces, or bracket. That is a set. So in a set, we have so many types. Subset denote as like this. Infinite set, finite set, complement set, union set, Venn diagram, universal set, intersection set, is just like this, and then null set or empty set just like this, the zero and then or just like this, which means has no element. So that is a set. So what is a subset? Subset is a set in that you take out from the universal set. Just have what I have given to you. When I combine all this is now a universal set. But because we group it into three, which is the K-pop group, the flowers, in the animals. So we have, we can say that set A, set B, and set C. Set A is a subset of the universal set, which is animals. We can say that animals is set of animals is a subset of from this. This also a subset from the universal set and a set in also a subset of the universal set. So subset is the possibility set that you can make out from a universal set. So the next is infinite. So what is infinite set? From the word infinite, which is has no end. So this is the element the set with element has no ending, or there's also a continuation. So in that set, we denote empty set in 3 dots, just like this. So that means there is a continuation of elements. So in infinite set is the element that you can count the element wire. For example, the set of a whole number. So you can count, or you can take all the whole numbers. So that is the infinite. So the opposite one is the finite set, which is the element can be counted. For example, here. So this is a set of K-pop group. Why it is finite set? For such, let's count the element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have these 10 elements in the set. So it can be counted. Daisy na mga picture. So Victon is a set, is an element. Asto is an element, 1 is an element. So we take out all the elements. So this is finite set. Set of flowers in a set of K-pop groups. When we combine this, I can say this for such, for example, this is set A and this is set B. So we say that when we combine it together, so we say it as set A union set B. So now we take that this one element in a union set. So another is, let's proceed to another kind of set, which is the intersection set. So what is intersection set? Intersection set, it is a set of two common set of two sets. For example, set A is a set of whole numbers from 1 to 9. And set B is elements, I mean, it's a set of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So when we take the complement set, intersection set of A and B, we take 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this means that 3 are visible in the set A. So that is the element, that is the intersection set. So now let's proceed to null set or empty set. What is null set and empty set? Null set in empty set, it is a set with no element, means 0 element, total nil. So that is all the elements. Now let's proceed to our quiz. So our quiz is now taking the symbols of the set. So what is the symbols of set? We have this and this. Subset, null set, union set, and the element. Take the subset of set J, which is here. Set J is it. It's a set of 3, 5, 7, and 9. Let's now take the subset of set J. Ready, take out all the subset that from set J. Let's review our knowledge or our lecture today. First is, what is set theory? Set theory is a set of a group or collection of things or object. So in a set, there is the element, which is the members of the set. In set have many kinds of set, which is the null set or empty set. This is the set with no element. And the intersection set. Intersection set, it is a set that with common elements. And then we have subset. Subset, it is a possible set that you make out from the null set, from the universal set. Universal set is the whole set. And then we have union set, the combination of two sets. And then I have just mentioned about Venn diagram. So what is Venn diagram? Venn diagram, it is a graphic organizer to show the relationship of all sets. An infinite set is the element has no ending, or there is always a continuation. The opposite to that is the infinite set, which is the finite set, which is the finite set. It is the set that you can count the elements. So that's all. Thank you. Goodbye.